Hi Virgos, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to use this love oracle deck that I have here. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story. Before I proceed, I would like to thank you for your support in this journey. Besides Virgos, I hope all your dreams and aspirations come true in the year 2022. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of December 2021, stepping into the new year, we have this card, Ace of Swords. I think this was very active energy. Possibly, you were up and about, you were somebody who was very decisive, you wanted to cut through the obstacles. Maybe you were also dealing with a lot of issues, you had a lot of tasks at hand, or there was too much on your plate. Nevertheless, Virgos, I think you were somebody who wanted to take the initiative. You wanted to cut through the obstacles and move ahead. I think you were somebody who was making the most of this energy. Perhaps, Virgos, you were also forced to communicate with someone, and communication had also brought in gains. Maybe some of you were also perturbed on account of problems within the family. Obstacles to overcome this year, we have the Four of Cups. I think this is an energy which is asking you to step back, to withdraw from situations. Perhaps many a times in this year, you will want to retreat into your own shell. Emotionally, it could be a bit challenging for you. Sometimes, you may also think that people are two-faced. They may promise you much, but then they don't deliver the goods, or that they don't act on their promises. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that it's possible that some Virgos, you could be dealing with a financial situation with a family member or a loved one, but then things could turn out the way you desire. Influences for this year, we have the Queen of Swords. This is a lady who is very aloof. Possibly many a times you could be cold shouldering others. You want to get down to business. You don't want to waste your time. Maybe you will have to focus on work at hand. There could be meetings lined up, or there are pressing matters. Internally, you may be feeling the tension or the heat, but then you do have that unflappable demeanor. I think this business-like approach will allow you to get ahead in 2022. The first 4 months of the year, that is January, February, March, April, we have the Two of Wands here. Perhaps Virgos, at this time you desire clarity. Maybe money is something which motivates you to do better in life, but then if money is not available, or if you're going to be paid a pittance, then definitely you want to quit the job. Nevertheless, I'm also picking up that you should stay put because money is going to come in. I think the universe is going to listen to your dreams and aspirations. This is also the time when you need to promote yourself. Incidentally, another card that flipped up in your reading is the King of Swords. Responsibilities will definitely increase. Possibly you're also dealing with official work or paperwork, technical matters. I think you need to take the initiative, but then you could rattle your loved ones because you seem to procrastinate or you want to take your own sweet time. Even if you know your responsibilities, Virgos, I think you need your space, you need your time before you can act or before you can do something about the dilemma that is going to be there. Surprises also in store for you, so you should negotiate and have your way. Reunions, or you could be also shopping, decluttering your living space in these 4 months. The next 4 months, that is May, June, July, August, we have the Temperance card. In all likelihood, you need to play the waiting game. You have to take your time. You need to persist because this energy is such which is going to bring in the rewards. But then time is a factor here. Nonetheless, you are going to be somebody who is going to achieve your ends. You also desire harmony in your relationships. Sometimes, you could be getting worked up for no rhyme or reason. Maybe some people could accuse you of being self-centered. You could also be a bit disturbed because there are certain anxious moments at home or on the home front. Even on the workplace, I think Virgos, you should be careful because there are jealous colleagues. Maybe they're also trying to let you down, or they are going to backbite or conspire against you. This is why I think the work environment could be a bit claustrophobic. Again, Virgos, I'm getting the energy that you may want to quit or you want to put down your papers, but then a winner never quits, Virgos, and you're known to be someone who can tolerate a lot. These are the months when you need to network, you need to promote your skills. Money or payment is also going to come in, but then you may also be somebody who has to deal with those taxation issues. Maybe you believe that a lot is going down the drain because of these taxes. The final 4 months of the year, that is September, October, November, December, we have the Five of Pentacles here. I think the universe is definitely going to answer your prayers, but you should be careful because you could misplace your belongings. Basically, this is a time when you needn't hold on to things. Sometimes letting go of things which are not ours will give us the freedom that we desire. Maybe Virgos, you should also be transparent with respect to financial matters. I think you need to also clear the misunderstandings that could crop up in these final months. Besides, I think Virgos, this is the time when your loved ones think that you are reluctant to take charge. Professionally also, you should be prepared because your routine could be disrupted. This is the 5, so the number 5 talks about changes here. Maybe there's no system and order. Maybe you're also somebody who has to be flexible, move back and forth while working on any assignment. I think you should also be mindful of the fact that you will realize that you have been misinformed about a particular issue. By the way, Virgos, in case your contract is up for renewal, then there'll be some happy news. Other than that, Virgos, I think this year you should also focus on spiritual cleansing and healing. We do have this card, vibrations. Maybe the universe is asking you to raise your vibrations to align with your higher self, to work on chakra healing or heal your chakras. With respect to your love life, Virgos, I have this card, thoughts of you fill up my senses. I think you will be constantly reminded of your person. You can feel his presence in your soul or in your cells or in your body, your heart and your mind. This can be a bit overwhelming, or maybe the person you have in question feels the same way. Incidentally, another card in this reading is my soul's language. I think the messages are loud and clear. The two of you understand each other perfectly well. Even if words are unspoken, you can understand or you can feel that deep connection. You seem to be aligned or you seem to pick up each other's vibrations. Like this card here, maybe in the 5D plane also your person and you are connected. So this is definitely going to be a very spiritual connection for you. Single Virgos, I think definitely you'll be admired because we have the Queen of Swords here. But then there's no point being closed off. Maybe your person thinks that you are somebody who is always snubbing him or her. So be patient with your person. You're also somebody who is going to be a heartbreaker. Perhaps this person is going to make that last ditch effort to reach out to you because he knows that you have stolen his heart. In case Virgos, you're crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Again, while having conversations with your person, your beloved, I think you should show more compassion or you should be careful or mindful of the words. Maybe this person is going to be offended by the way you interact with him. Sometimes also, you may feel as though it's always you who is making the effort. And in Virgos, I think you're going to have good exchange with your person. Maybe you will discuss your past or your childhood, or you're also going to bounce ideas of each other with respect to work. In case yours is a third party relationship or in case yours is a secret romance, I think you want this relationship to be undercover. Maybe your confidant could ask you to think deeply about the future of this connection this year. By the way, Virgos, in case you're in an unhappy connection, I think suspicion could be the bane of this relationship. It could affect the essence of your romantic connection. From the Native Spirit Oracle deck, we have this card, Freedom, which says horse. I think you want to break free from existing patterns. You want a shift in your life. Maybe you should also be someone who should step out or get away from those self-imposed boundaries. Be wild and free like this wild horse here. Maybe Virgos, you should not allow yourself to be confined by convention or self-imposed boundaries. From Lenormand, we have this card, woman. Possibly there's a woman who could be a key figure here in your life throughout the year. We do have the Queen of Swords. Maybe there's somebody who is quite mature like your mother. Maybe she's concerned about your marital prospects. Or perhaps some of you are dealing with a very clever woman at the workplace. Last card in your reading is from Archangel Raphael, who he says, take a second opinion with respect to a health issue, whether it concerns you or whether it concerns a family member. You know, there's no harm in taking opinions to consult other physicians or medical professionals. Maybe you could also benefit on account of energy healing work, or you could seek the help of a healer because meditation did come up or vibrations did come up in your reading. Your throat chakra could also be affected this year. Largely Virgos, this year you're desiring freedom. You know, you need to take those responsibilities, but you also want the freedom to set sail for greener pastures. I hope Virgos you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.